everyone, my name is Lola and welcome to Lola's World. Today we will be making sofrito. So the things that we will be needing to make the sofrito is including a cutting board. We're gonna need a French knife. We're gonna need a dump bowl, which I'm not gonna need the lid. We're gonna need a bowl, a mixing bowl. We're gonna need your blender, obviously. We're gonna need a ladle and a scrape spoon to scrape the blender. And for the ingredients, we're gonna need oil. We're gonna need onion. We're gonna need garlic. We're gonna need peppers, green peppers and red bell peppers, and cilantro. Okay guys, first and foremost, I would like to apologize. I do have a 4-year-old toddler in the room. Mommy's obviously, you all know my struggle. So for the first ingredient, we're gonna go ahead and mix, or we're gonna blend my garlic and the oil. My grocery store is, I'm fortunate to have the option to have already peeled garlic cloves, because we all know the hassle of peeling garlic cloves. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to the blender with a little bit of oil. Now when it comes to the oil, you wanna be very careful, just because you don't wanna put too much, because you can always put a little bit, but you can never take out. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the blender, and we're gonna go ahead and puree that. Sorry if it gets loud. Okay guys, so I am looking at the blender and it doesn't have enough oil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. You kind of want it to be a paste, but you don't want it to be chunky. Okay guys, that is the consistency I want it. The consistency that you actually want it is kind of milky, frothy, and pasty. So while that's in there, and I leave it in there for a little bit just so it can kind of like my blender to get the flavor of, you know, the garlic, we're gonna go ahead and prep our peppers and our onions. So I usually do more red peppers to green peppers, because I already have a lot of greens coming in from the cilantro. So what you want to do is you want to cut your peppers into almost like slices, but not that big. You want to take out the middle part of the pepper. You don't want any of the seeds in it. And if you have any kids that absolutely love peppers, you can go ahead and give her a slice of pepper to keep her happy. So you're gonna wanna take all the seeds out and all the veiny parts, because you don't want that in your sofrito. That's gonna end up making it watered down, and obviously we don't want that. All right guys, so I have finished cutting my peppers. I also cut 1 large onion, and I just took out all the outside, all the peels, and I just quartered them. Obviously we don't have to worry about how much we cut it, just because it's all gonna get pureed. So I have my garlic already. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna take away, or I'm gonna take out half, And the reason I take out half is obviously you don't want all that garlic in your sofrito. I take at least half of it out so I can use the garlic for recipes later that I don't want to use sofrito for. So yeah, there's about half. And I actually put it back in the same container in which the garlic came in. About this much puree. And then we're gonna get started on our pureeing. So you're gonna wanna have your oil handy. Obviously, I use corn oil. So my child, she has many allergies, and vegetable oil contains soybean oil, and obviously she's allergic to soy, so I'm not gonna use it. And I use it for her recipes as well. And there's other people that use olive oil. I don't like the taste of olive oil. I feel like it's too potent, so I omit that from my recipes. So we're gonna start off with cilantro. It smells so good. So we're gonna stuff our blender with cilantro. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So always make sure that your cilantro is very well dried out. I had mine on a sheet of paper to make sure that it captures a lot of the water. We're gonna put a little bit more of oil just to get the process going. Put our cover on our blender. Shout out to my man who got me this Ninja blender because I love my blender. And we're gonna get to blending, guys. We need more oil. This is where it's like a game of what more do I need? Guys, my kitchen smells delicious already. More cilantro. Obviously, be careful with your blender, guys. Don't take out your fingers. Sofrito is worth it, but not that worth it. This blender is very, very sharp. I get scared sometimes. I'm like, I don't want to hurt my hands. More oil. Okay guys, my blender is reaching, hold on Analia, 1 second. My blender is reaching capacity for liquid. So what we want to do is, this is why you have a bowl on the side, is you're going to utilize your bowl and you're going to pour a good half of it out. Maybe 3/4. Okay. Gonna put that one back. Essentially, we don't want to pour all of it out because we want to still keep more liquid so we can keep on blending. Oh my gosh, if this place had smell-o-vision, YouTube, guys, Elon Musk, I don't know, whoever needs to hear about it, smell-o-vision, okay? Willy Wonka, remember? Anybody who's seen Willy Wonka? Smell-o-vision. All right, right, guys, we are done with the blending process or the pureeing, whatever you want to call it. Yes, my love. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to bring my bowl. It has a suction cup. Yes, my love. Cover this oil back. Mmm. Wow. She thinks we're making a smoothie, guys. Okay. All right, guys, so let me lift my bowl up. This is how it looks. So what you want to do is stir it up. Put everything together. My sofrito always comes out more red than anything. Oh my gosh, you guys just, I wish everyone can just smell it. It smells delicious. All right, guys, my sofrito is done. Look at that. You can't waste this. This is like one whole recipe of sofrito. Hold on.
Let's try.
No, no, no. That's too spicy for you, baby. And then let's put the lids on. Obviously, guys, this recipe can be tweaked depending on your palate. So if sometimes you don't like one item, you can put less of, or if you like it, pour more of. It just depends on your palate. And obviously, I'll rinse it underwater and just clean out the outside. But it makes 4 of these big ones and 1 of this. Hey guys, thank you. It's been a joy to film this video for you guys. If you like it, please comment, like, and share, and obviously subscribe to my channel. And it's been a joy. Thank you. Have a good night.